Alright, also make sure when you're putting these in, obviously these arms that hold the rockers on, there's two different lengths, so put that in there. If you're doing this by yourself, those will actually sit up right against those pretty easily. And you might have to rotate your cam so your lobes aren't hitting. That should be the hole right there. Let's see here. Alright. Okay, so we got that done. And when you torque all this down, this will suck this down, so you're not going to have that much room. So we'll do the other side and get this thing going. We'll start torquing stuff down as soon as I get everything set up.